We are today at the Schieppe facility, one of the 4 manufacturing hubs of SRT. This is the heart of our production, where we manufacture our components that will be assembled on our railway machines. Here we basically manufacture our structural steel components. We use the most advanced technology: plasma cutting, robotic welding, bandsawing machines, press brakes. This to ensure high productivity, high precision, quality, and reliability. Here we also manage our own surface treatments. We have our own painting department, but we also have our own sandblasting department in order to ensure durability and performance at all times on all our products. But at SRT, we're not stopping here. We are continuously developing our machinery, but also implementing new production lines, because at SRT, innovation means evolution.